Stocks in the deep. We have TAIT, ONEG, SOND, and GTBP. TAIT up, or rather down 37.14%. Intraday low in yesterday as no so I'm, yeah, actually in a pre-market session of today, the 17th, if not even 16th, we have 1.12 because it has recovered from those lows. Let's see what we have. TAIT. Okay, so yeah, underlying trend is bearish. The stock was actually has been on a downtrend after expanding massively on the 8th of September. Yeah, the stock has been contracting that expansion since then. Unfortunately, the algos got this one wrong. It's down today. Let's see whether there's any news. Okay, stock plummets on delisting notice. Okay, yeah. So planning to delist. Okay, let's find out when the listing is taking place. Transistors distributor said Friday it determined that the costs, time, and resources to maintain its Nasdaq listing outweigh the benefits to the company and its stockholders of continued listing and public reporting. Okay, chief financial officer resigned effective November 10. Okay, do we have any specific dates? No dates. I don't think there's any date here for this. Effective. Okay, no. Okay, the resignation is effective immediately then. Okay. Oh, December 4th. Okay, I think so. Did I see that there? The listing is expected to become effective on or about December 4th. All right. Okay, so yeah, a couple of things could be going on. I think it provides an opportunity for short selling and much more to be going on. Okay, so well, in any case, a bounce is expected to. It has had a bounce. Had a bounce yesterday, and it's expected to remain strong going all the way towards the 25th of November, but not expected to go beyond its 40 period moving average. Projections are saying $2.02. Before now, it had 2.86, 3.15, 3.32. Short sellers will be making the most of what's going on with the stock. We still have some time. We still have some time before the 4th of December. Let's see. Yeah, roughly 3 weeks before that time. So a lot can still go on between now and then. ONEG down 25.29%, intraday low $3.52. Okay, highly volatile. Okay, it doesn't not usually doesn't move a lot of shares. Okay, so lower prices are expected to keep laying out up till tomorrow. The pre-market session of today is tomorrow, so tomorrow the 18th. So the whole of today is expected to be a down day. Then after from tomorrow's pre-market session, we may have a consolidation and then maybe from the 21st, the downtrend may resume. No guarantee that will be the case. Projections are currently saying $7.63. We haven't seen any news. Let's see whether we can find some news here. I don't think we're going to find anything here. Okay, yeah, nothing there. Okay, let's see what we can see. Have a look at its daily chart. Okay, on the daily chart, projections saying 7.72. Before now, as high as it had as high as 8.52, 9.83, 12.17, 13.38, 14.13. Okay, so let's return to the 4-hour chart. SOND. SOND down 22.16%. Intraday low 0.0787. Should be trading a lot of shares. Okay, let's see. Okay, high beta. Okay, penny stock, and it's optionable. Yeah, fascinating. SOND. Let's see what we can find for SOND. Okay, so a distributive contraction is expected to play out, beginning with what looks like a bounce from. Like what looks like a bounce by tomorrow's pre-market session, but ultimately it's just a sideways movement, a consolidation with a distributive bias, and then after that there might be an attempt to bounce from the 24th of November. It's expected to break through its 40-day moving average. Okay, let's see what we have in terms of projection. 0.4039 as of now. The pivotal projection will be it or is okay, yeah, 0.4039. If it breaks through that, then it might be able to test 0.5063. Okay. Okay, no fresh news. Okay, so seeking liquidation. Standard to wind down US operations, seek liquidation update. Wind down its operations and plans to liquidate its US business, citing severe financial constraints emerging from its integration with Mart. Okay, we've talked about this last Friday. Yeah, so it's still losing ground. GTBP. Yeah, let's see. GTBP down 23.65%. Intraday high Friday $1.15. So yeah, I think it's contracting that expansion. Yeah, so consolidation is expected to play out with we expect to just get more accumulative from begin to get more accumulative from the 24th of November. Yeah. So critical support, is that a critical support? Yeah, I think so. 0.69 0.6910. Okay, it seems to be working because we got a bounce after breaking through that, after closing below that moving average. So let's see whether there's any news. Okay, net loss narrowed, but continued operations depend on securing additional financing. Okay, underlying trend should be severely bearish for GTBP. Yeah, bearish, yes. Yeah. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.